Why are AI companies selling their stock right now? Everyone is talking about the AI revolution. OpenAI, Anthropic, xAI, and many other companies are worth billions of dollars. But here's the question almost nobody is asking. If AI is really the future, then why are the people who know these companies best trying to sell their shares? What do they know that ordinary investors don't? Let's find out. Whenever a company sells stock to the public, someone is buying and someone is selling. The people selling are usually the founders, early employees, and investors who built the company. They know the business better than anyone else. So before buying, ask yourself one simple question. Why are they selling now? History gives us an interesting answer. Before the dot-com crash in 2000, tech IPOs exploded. Before the 2008 financial crisis, major companies rushed to raise money. During the 2021 SPAC boom, hundreds of companies went public, and many of them later lost most of their value. This doesn't mean every company is bad. It means that when excitement reaches its peak, smart money often starts taking profits. Now look at AI. Big tech is spending hundreds of billions of dollars building AI infrastructure. But compared to that spending, the industry's revenue is still relatively small. Many companies are investing heavily, hoping future profits will justify today's prices. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. That's why investing based only on hype can be dangerous. The stock market doesn't reward excitement forever. Eventually, prices have to match reality. I'm not saying AI will fail. AI could completely transform the world. But history teaches us one lesson again and again. Never confuse a great technology with a great investment. Always ask questions, always do your own research, and never follow the crowd blindly. If you enjoy finance, business stories, and investing explained in simple language, subscribe now because every week we break down the biggest business stories so you can make smarter decisions. And tell me in the comments, do you think AI stocks are still just getting started? Or are we watching another bubble?